Hello! Learn the perfect way to introduce yourself in just 30 seconds.
Subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a chance to practice real English with me. Let's go!
Liam, how can I introduce myself in 30 seconds without sounding boring or insecure?
You start with who you are professionally and the value you bring, not just age or location.
Really? So I shouldn't start by saying my age or where I live?
For sure. People remember purpose, not personal data.
Wow, that already feels different.
You see? A strong introduction creates immediate impact.
So, what should be the first thing I say?
Say your name, your professional area, and the main problem you help solve.
That sounds simple, but I always freeze when I try.
That happens because you translate in your head instead of using ready chunks.
Interesting. So my brain is slowing me down?
Yes, mental translation creates hesitation and kills confidence.
That explains a lot, actually.
Exactly. Fluency grows when you stop building sentences word by word.
Can you give me a natural example of a strong opening?
Sure. You can say, I'm Anna, a marketing professional focused on helping brands communicate clearly.
That sounds confident and calm.
Because it uses a complete spoken chunk your brain can recall fast.
So it's not about sounding fancy?
Not at all. Natural English is simple and direct.
I always thought professional English had to be very formal.
That's a common mistake that makes people sound stiff.
Right? Sometimes I feel like I'm acting.
Yeah, acting creates tension and breaks flow.
How does purpose fit into this introduction?
Purpose shows why you do what you do and connects emotionally.
So, purpose is more important than details.
Yes, details can come later if people ask.
Wow, that removes a lot of pressure.
Confidence grows when you simplify your message.
Can purpose be short in English?
Absolutely. One clear sentence is enough.
Can you model that for me?
You could say, my passion is helping teams communicate better and work smarter.
That feels very human.
Because spoken English values clarity over perfection.
I notice you use verbs like helping and building.
Action verbs show movement and competence.
So I shouldn't list everything I've done?
No. 30 seconds is about direction, not history.
Interesting. Why do I usually try to say everything?
Because you think more information will make you sound clearer and more competent.
Is that why I lose confidence mid-sentence?
Yes, your brain is trying to manage too much.
So chunking reduces stress?
For sure. Chunks reduce cognitive load.
Can chunks really help me sound fluent faster?
They train your brain to speak automatically.
Wow, I always thought fluency came with time only.
Time helps, but the right method accelerates it.
How do I move from identity to experience naturally?
You transition with phrases like, over the last few years.
That sounds very smooth.
Because it's a common spoken connector.
What should I talk about in this second part?
Focus on key experiences and real results.
Results scare me because I forget words. Why does that happen?
Because pressure makes your brain block vocabulary instead of accessing meaning.
Can you give an example?
You might say, I've worked on projects that improved team productivity.
That's much easier than I imagined.
Simplicity equals confidence.
Is it okay to generalize results?
Yes, especially in short introductions.
Interesting. So accuracy matters less than clarity.
Exactly. Clarity builds trust.
I often hesitate choosing the right tense.
Native speakers don't think about tenses when speaking.
Really? They don't?
They focus on meaning and flow.
That's a relief.
Overthinking grammar is a fluency killer.
So, what tense should I use most?
Present simple and present perfect work well.
Can I mix them without stress?
Yes, communication matters more than precision.
Wow, this changes how I see English.
That's the breakthrough moment many learners need.
How do tools and skills fit into this introduction?
Mention only the most relevant ones.
I usually list many tools to sound competent. Why do I do that?
Because you believe more information will make you look more professional, but it often creates confusion.
I see myself there.
You see, confidence comes from focus.
How can I mention tools naturally?
Use phrases like, I work with tools such as,
That feels very spoken.
because it's how people actually talk.
Is it okay if I forget a tool name?
Yes, you can generalize without panic.
How do soft skills enter this introduction?
Soft skills show how you work with people.
Are soft skills really important in English introductions?
Very important, especially in global environments.
Interesting. I thought only technical skills mattered.
Communication builds trust faster than technical details.
What soft skills should I mention?
List communication, collaboration, and adaptability. They work well.
How do I say that without sounding fake?
Use simple, honest language.
Can you give an example?
You can say, I value collaboration and clear communication.
That feels natural and calm.
Because authenticity sounds fluent.
I feel more confident already.
Exactly. Confidence grows step by step.
How do I close my introduction without stopping awkwardly?
End with your current goal and an invitation.
An invitation? Like what?
You can invite connection or conversation.
That sounds professional and friendly.
Because it opens a door instead of ending abruptly.
Can you model a closing sentence?
You might say, I'm always open to new challenges and meaningful connections.
Wow, that sounds powerful.
Power comes from clarity, not complexity.
I notice the whole introduction feels like a story now.
Exactly. Stories are easier to remember.
So my brain doesn't need to translate every word.
Yes, it retrieves meaning, not grammar rules.
This is a huge realization for me.
That's the confidence shift happening.
Am I allowed to practice this aloud daily?
You should practice it aloud every day,
Even if I make mistakes?
especially if you make mistakes.
That's reassuring.
Mistakes are proof of progress.
So, fluency is built through repetition and comfort?
Exactly, not through perfection.
I feel like English is becoming a tool now.
That's when real fluency begins.
Liam, how can I respond naturally in daily situations without freezing?
You rely on short spoken responses your brain already knows.
Like, what kind of responses?
Simple ones like, that makes sense, or I'll get back to you.
Wow,
I use very long sentences instead.
Long sentences increase pressure and hesitation.
So, short answers are not rude?
Not at all. They sound confident and clear.
Interesting. I always thought short meant weak.
Yeah, that belief blocks fluency.
How about at work meetings?
You can say, I agree, or let me clarify this point.
That feels much easier than explaining everything.
Because spoken English values efficiency.
What happens when I try to sound perfect?
You overthink and stop your natural flow.
Right. I feel stuck searching for the best word.
That pause is the confidence drop moment.
So, perfection hurts fluency.
Yes, fluency grows from acceptance, not control.
Wow, that's a big shift.
You see, confidence changes how English feels.
How do native speakers react to mistakes?
Most don't even notice small mistakes.
Really? They don't correct everything?
No, they focus on meaning, not form.
That removes so much fear.
Fear disappears when judgment disappears.
Can you show a formal versus natural example?
Formal would be, I would like to request information. Natural is, can you share more details?
The natural one sounds lighter.
For sure, lighter language flows better.
How can I train my brain to choose natural English?
By repeating chunks instead of translating.
Chunks again, right?
Yes, chunks are the building blocks of fluency.
Can chunks work in stressful moments?
They work best in stressful moments.
Wow, that's encouraging.
Automatic language protects your confidence.
What if I go blank anyway?
You can use fillers like, let me think.
I thought fillers were bad.
Fillers are natural and human.
How do I introduce myself naturally in a professional setting now?
You combine identity, experience, and purpose smoothly.
Can you say a full example?
I'm Alex, a project manager focused on improving team efficiency.
That's clear and confident.
Then you add one experience sentence.
Like what?
Over the last few years, I've led projects that improved delivery time.
That flows really well. Why does it feel so easy to follow?
Because flow comes from structure, not complexity.
And the differential part?
You share how you work with people.
Can that be short too?
Yes, one sentence is enough.
What would that sound like?
I value collaboration and clear communication.
Wow, that sounds natural and strong.
Because it reflects culture and mindset.
And the closing part?
You invite connection.
Like asking for something?
More like opening a door.
Can you give an example?
I'm always open to new challenges and conversations.
That doesn't feel pushy at all. Why is that?
For sure, it feels confident and relaxed.
I feel like I finally understand introductions.
That understanding builds real confidence.
So the goal isn't to impress with words?
The goal is to connect with clarity.
Wow, that changes everything for me.
That's the breakthrough moment.
English feels less scary now.
Because you're using it as a tool.
Is daily speaking really that important?
Daily speaking rewires your brain.
Even 5 minutes?
5 minutes daily beats 1 hour weekly.
That sounds doable.
Consistency builds fluency faster.
Should I practice alone or with people?
Both help in different ways.
How can I practice alone?
Speak your introduction out loud every day.
Without translating?
Exactly, without translating.
And with people?
Use short responses and stay present.
I already feel more confident just understanding this.
Awareness is the first step to fluency.
So, fluency is not only about words?
No, fluency is also how your body feels when you speak.
Interesting. So, calm equals fluency.
Relaxed speakers sound fluent faster.
What should I remember most from this lesson?
Simplicity, spoken chunks, and trust.
So, my introduction doesn't need to be perfect?
It only needs to be clear and natural.
That's such a relief.
Relief unlocks real progress.
Can I really trust myself speaking English now?
Yes, trust is what turns English into a tool.
So, if I speak daily without translating, I'll keep improving?
Exactly. That's how confidence becomes fluency.
This feels like a turning point for me.
And this is just the beginning.
So, what's the next step after introducing myself confidently?
You need the right phrases to survive real professional situations.
Like meetings and international conferences?
Exactly, especially when every word matters.
That sounds a bit scary.
It doesn't have to be if you have the right phrases ready.
So, this is where most people lose confidence?
Yes, and that's exactly what we'll fix next.
What's coming in the next episode?
Don't go to an international conference without these 5 phrases.
Sounds like something I really need.
Don't miss it. See you there.
Bye!